Hey, this is Glenn with Entry Express. I'll do a quick video on how to open a eCatalog file with Apple Books and how to use some of the comment tools in Apple Books. So when you get your email, it'll look like this. These are some screenshots we put in just to show you a couple of things, but they can be done. But anyway, your file will be at the bottom of the page usually, and you just click it to open it. Now it opens in a generic viewer, and we want to put it in Apple Books. You click this icon, the box with the arrow in it, go through this to find Apple Books, and when you click that, the file will automatically open in Apple Books, at which point you can just flip through the pages just like a paper catalog. Okay, so that's how you open it, how you navigate the pages. To comment, you touch the page. It's going to bring up some menu items, and we're going to select the pen icon up here. When we do that, we get a list of different tools. I want to use a highlighter first, so right now there's the highlighter. I'm going to change the color to blue. I'm going to change it from being a dark, like a magic marker, to being more of a highlighter. I'm going to click this marker again, and this lets me choose the thickness of the line that I draw. So I'm going to put it over here towards the thicker line. Click off of that, and now I can write. Like if I was at a hunt test and I was marking the dogs that qualified or the dogs that scratched, I could do that with this tool and still read what's behind it. I could also highlight, pardon me for missing the words, but I'm behind the camera, so it looks a little bit different. But anyway, so you can highlight a dog, your dog, or whatever. So that's the highlighter tool. If you make a mistake or want to get rid of that, you just pick the eraser up and erase it. Okay, so now we'll go over how to use just the marker or the pen. So I'll leave it in red. I'll make it dark because I'm going to use it to sign a signature or make a check mark or whatever on callbacks. So pick up the pen again and choose how thick you want your line, thinner to thickest. Click the pen again, and now I can put a check mark, or on a callback or whatever. Could actually draw a little diagram of a test. And whatever you want to write. But anyway, that's how you do that. You can sign a book, for example. That's how you use the pen tool. So you pen, the highlighter, and the eraser are all available to you. Okay. So the next thing you can do is you can use the text tool. So I got to turn my pen off to go back to navigating the pages. So I'm going to flip through back here to the Derby callbacks or the Derby placement sheet because it's short and sweet. So here's our Derby. So instead of, you can write in here. So pick up the pen, pick up what color or whatever you want it. Probably wouldn't mark the catalog in red, but so if dog number 7 won, make sure I got it right. And then dog number 1, dog number 4. You can do that. It's easy to do. List your jams. I might do it that way, or I just wanted to show how another tool here is the text tool. So on your menu here, select the plus symbol, select text, double click it, it brings up your keyboard. Then you can write 20. You can change the color if you wanted to make it blue, or you can click it and drag it. So I'll come up here and maybe 20 was a reserve jam. So, you know, it might be easier to, or more legible if you'd use this, but I think the writing is fine. But, you know, just give you the choice to show you how you do have the option to type text. So again, you just hit the plus symbol, text, and that. You notice here when, let me undo that, get that rid. So you notice here when I hit the plus symbol, there's a signature tool, and you can see I have a signature stored in here. So I can add another signature if I wanted to. But rather than use that tool to do a signature, I prefer just to use the pen. So I'm going to delete that. Make it red. Pick up my pen, make sure it's thick as I want it. And now, this way you can't pick this up and move it like you can a signature done this way, or the text box where you can pick them up and move them. If you just comment, the signature's right here, and you can't select it and move it. I hope you liked the video, hope you get something out of it, and hope you enjoy using the eCatalogs. Thank you.